beta?
Should I show you the drawing?
Please, please show. Hold on. Yeah, very nice. Very nice. You just erasing, no, erasing the line, the upper, this circle line, this line. Okay. Inside the here construction line. This circle construction line, you can erase it. It's something just it's just erase it. Okay. Very good. Now I just take the next steps. Can I go next step?
Sir?
Next steps can I go ahead?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now I just draw here. Here is the neck. And here I just making the same, this one circle and two circle. This is very simple. See, one circle, two circle. Like this. Okay. So this lady is actually I draw here. This is the tree. This is a tree. He is sitting, standing. You know this. So you can make the tree like this. This is a tree basically, huh? And this is grasses. So you just support the tree is shoulder. Now here this is called the torso and this is called the pelvis. Okay, torso and pelvis. Okay. So here I share you know this is this part called the torso and this part called the pelvis. From torso hand is coming. From torso hand is coming and for pelvis this is the chest, this is the kamar. Okay, and from the kamar pelvis leg is coming like this. Okay. So this is the thing. Here I can share you the same things. Head, the leg, right? You are sharing the same thing over here. So now I create from the leg. This is the torso. This is torso, this is pelvis. From pelvis, simple come leg. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that difficult or easy or phone? Understood better now? Arnav?
Yes, sir.
Is it you can draw this one? It's easy?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Make it like this. So here that much is just wearing the pant. Okay. And I do this another leg over here. Maybe like 1, okay, 2, 3, 4. It's just 2 leg. Just draw. Okay. This is the grasses and fine. One leg coming from the torso. So if I draw very small thing like this is the head, this is the torso, this is the pelvis, the leg coming from this one, leg coming from this, and hand coming from this. Understood this one?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. This is the hand, this is the leg. Two hand, two leg, like this. Very simple. So here I can draw the hand. This is the torso, or is torso. From torso coming the hand like this. In the middle of the torso, right? From the, I can create one circle. Like this is the hand. Okay. Like this. Hands coming from here. Okay. So the leg is just reading book. Suppose it is reading book or eating something, whatever is something eating or reading books also fine. Okay. Is have some books. Is this reading book. Okay, his finger.
Sir,
Yes,
can you show the basics once more, please?
this one, beta.
Yeah, sir.
Okay, I share this basics once more. This one, right? Isn't it? This basic.
Yeah, sir, that one.
Okay, that one I share you. The oval for head,
Hmm.
the torso like a chest, and the pelvis for the kama. So head, torso, pelvis, and then just join this. Okay. From the torso, from the torso, hands came. Okay, and from the pelvis leg came. So this is the hand. So if I do the bone, this is the bone. I make this skull, like this is the one bone and coming here, coming here, coming here. This one leg coming from this side, and then hand coming like this. One from the middle of this shoulder bone. Okay. From one, two, and here is the hand. Okay, so this is the neck, and here you can create the character head. Understood?
Yeah, sir.
So now what is
Sir,
happening?
can I show you my drawing?
Please show it up. Wow. Now it's good going on. So here I share you is a reading book. Another hand you can draw like this only. Okay. So it's looking this is two hand and two legs like this. So now what is happening? Just erasing this construction line. Whatever is important for starting, but when you are understanding this, your positions and all, you're just erasing it. Okay, just erasing it, and make your dress your own ideas. This is the wearing some pink t-shirts, and here just jeans skirt something. This is leggies, wearing the leggies. Like this you can draw. Okay. So how to create your own illustration. This is called the digital illustration books for illustrations, drawing like this. You can draw. Okay. For the book illustration, for the uh, animations or infographic, motion graphics, you can use this type of character. Uh, yeah, show beta. Precious thought. Oh, so sweet. You are doing that. The leg is sitting, right? You're doing the sitting. Um, yeah, nice, nice, Prashasta. You try the characters nicely. Yeah. So we're not doing the shading and all that much. We are going to creating the character or how to create